A game-changing investment opportunity, revolutionizing engines, shaping history, and cleaning the environment. Introduction: the future of engine technology. Picture a world where engines are not only smaller, more powerful, and more efficient, but also environmentally sustainable. This is no longer a distant dream. It's here, and it's ready to transform multiple industries. We present an extraordinary investment opportunity that will revolutionize the world of engines, reshape the future of transportation, and reduce the environmental impact of industrial machinery. The innovation: high-efficiency opposed piston internal combustion engine. At the core of this revolution is a groundbreaking internal combustion engine with a radical opposed piston design. This engine is built with efficiency and simplicity, achieving results never before seen in engine technology. Unmatched fuel efficiency. With a potential worst-case efficiency of up to 58.5%, this engine outperforms current technologies, saving fuel and reducing costs. Compact design for shipping. Our engine is 25% smaller than traditional ship engines. This reduction in size leads to lighter vessels and lower fuel consumption, ultimately slashing shipping costs and transforming global logistics. Increased flight hours. In the aerospace sector, our engine allows for significantly longer flight times, increasing efficiency and reducing downtime, making it a game-changer for drones and aircraft. In addition to these features, the engine boasts a minimal number of components, making it cheaper to manufacture, easier to maintain, and ideal for industries that rely on both durability and cost efficiency. Transforming industries. A broad range of applications. Our engine technology will drive forward a multitude of industries, including shipping and maritime. With engines that are 25% smaller, shipping companies can significantly lower operational costs and fuel consumption. This leads to more affordable shipping rates, transforming the global trade and logistics industries. Aerospace and drones. The lightweight, efficient design extends flight hours for drones and aircraft, increasing productivity and reducing fuel expenses, benefiting industries from defense to commercial aviation. Automotive industry. Passenger and commercial vehicles will benefit from improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions, answering the growing demand for greener, more cost-effective transportation. Heavy equipment and construction. The engine's simple design allows for longer operational lifespans with fewer breakdowns, ideal for high-demand construction equipment and machinery. Military applications. The engine's reduced size and increased fuel efficiency provide operational advantages in the field, ensuring higher mobility and lower energy consumption for military vehicles and aircraft. Why invest now? This is a moment of tremendous opportunity. As the global market faces increasing pressure to adopt cleaner and more efficient technologies, our engine offers a solution that will lead this transformation. By investing today, you secure your place in the future of energy-efficient transportation with opportunities for massive financial returns. The wide range of industries that stand to benefit from this engine, including shipping, aerospace, automotive, and construction, creates vast potential for market growth and profit. Sustainability and environmental impact. Help reduce global emissions while improving the fuel efficiency of millions of vehicles and machines, creating a more sustainable world for future generations. Early access and partnerships. Early investors will have exclusive access to licensing agreements, joint ventures, and partnerships with leading automotive and industrial companies. Environmental impact. Powering a cleaner future. Our innovative engine design isn't just about reducing costs and increasing efficiency. It's about protecting the environment. By slashing emissions and significantly reducing fuel consumption, this technology will play a pivotal role in addressing climate change. Smaller, lighter engines for ships will lower fuel consumption, making global trade greener. Extended flight hours for aircraft mean fewer emissions per flight. As we transition to greener energy solutions, this engine will become a cornerstone of cleaner transportation, leaving a positive legacy for generations to come. Join the revolution. Invest in the future today. Now is the time to embrace change. By investing in this revolutionary engine technology, you are not only seizing a financial opportunity, but also contributing to a cleaner, more efficient world. This is your chance to be part of an innovation that will change the history of engines and transportation forever. Take part in the revolution. Be a pioneer in an engine that powers the world toward a better future. For more information or investment opportunities, Muhammad Khalil Ibrahim Asander. Email ascenderum7@gmail.com. Patent reference W020240382292. Let's drive the future together.